Hi everyone, in this video we are going to use this pine cone, so cut it. Now we are making these petals using yellow crepe paper and make many petals, and we are going to paste it around the pine. We are going to make the leaves and paste all of them using floral tape, and look, your sunflowers are ready. We're going to use these yarns, so roll it around fingers, tie a knot at the center. We are making a pom-pom ball here. Cut it and paste all these mini pom-pom balls around it, and we are making a smiley face, and look, your flower is ready. Same way you can make many animal shapes like this, and it's ready. We're going to use this paper bag, so cut it and paste it using double-sided tape. Make multiple cuts on it using scissors. Now we are going to roll it using a stick. Now take another green paper and roll it. We are making the leaves and cover it using floral tape, and look, your flower sticks are ready. Cut this yellow fruit foam net into half. We are going to paste double-sided tape and make multiple cut on the small piece of it. Now we are going to roll it around this yellow stick. We are making wheat stalk here, so paste its leaves like this, and look, it is ready. In this video, we are going to use these dry flower twigs. We are going to collect some of them and make flowers using these corn seeds. We are going to remove corn seeds and paste around it using hot glue gun, and look, your flower is ready. Make more such flowers and put it in a vase. Thank you so much for watching this video.